If you're tired of crumbs, dust, pet hair, or sand taking over your car interior, this handheld car vacuum might be worth a closer look. It's a 22,000 pascals cordless handheld vacuum with a built-in blower function, a rechargeable battery, washable HEPA filtration, and multiple cleaning attachments. In this review, I'll walk you through what this vacuum offers, where it performs best, and whether it looks like a good value for everyday car cleaning. One of the biggest advantages of this vacuum is its compact cordless design. Unlike a full-size vacuum, this model is small enough to store in your trunk or garage and easy to use with one hand. For quick cleanups after a road trip, kids, pets, or daily commuting, portability is a major benefit. The headline feature is the 22,000 pascals suction power. For a handheld vacuum, that's a relatively strong suction rating. It's designed for common car messes like dust, crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and small debris that collect on seats, floor mats, cup holders, and around the center console. Another feature that stands out is the 2-in-1 vacuum and blower function. In addition to vacuuming debris, it can also blow air into tight spaces. That can be useful for cleaning dashboard vents, seat tracks, door pockets, keyboards, or other hard-to-reach areas where dust tends to accumulate. The vacuum includes multiple nozzles and brush attachments, which makes it more versatile than a basic handheld vacuum. A crevice tool helps reach narrow gaps, while a brush attachment is useful for fabric surfaces and loosening dust or pet hair before vacuuming. A practical feature is the washable HEPA filter. HEPA filters help trap fine dust particles, and the fact that it's washable means you can clean and reuse it instead of replacing it frequently. That helps reduce maintenance costs over time. Powering the vacuum is a 7,800 mAh rechargeable battery. Because it's cordless, you don't need to deal with extension cords or power outlets while cleaning your vehicle. It's designed for convenient grab-and-go use, which is one of the main reasons many people choose handheld vacuums in the first place. The included storage bag is also a useful addition because it keeps the vacuum and all the attachments organized in one place. Now, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Since this is a compact handheld vacuum, the dust container is smaller than what you'd get with a larger household or shop vacuum. For heavily soiled vehicles, you may need to empty the dustbin during a cleaning session. Also, higher suction settings typically reduce battery runtime compared with lower power modes. Based on the listed features, this vacuum appears to be best suited for regular maintenance cleaning rather than deep professional detailing. It looks especially useful for people who want a lightweight vacuum that's easy to store and quick to use. So, is it worth considering? If you're looking for a portable, cordless car vacuum with strong suction, a blower function, washable HEPA filtration, and multiple attachments, this model checks many of the boxes that most car owners care about. It's designed for convenience, portability, and everyday interior cleaning. For drivers who want an easy way to keep their car cleaner between full detailing sessions, this handheld vacuum looks like a practical and affordable option. If you found this review helpful, you'll find the product link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.